Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest update regarding to Adani Enterprise. Friends, see here, Flipkart partners with Adani Group to enhance supply and logistics infra. So friends, see here, new fulfillment center spread across 5.34 lakh square feet to be opened in Mumbai, which gonna be act as warehouse for e-commerce marketplace for Flipkart. So with this, they announced a strategic and commercial partnership with Adani Group. The Flipkart will work with Adani Logistics Limited to strengthen Flipkart supply chain infrastructure, and it also made a partnership in its uh, what you call data center manufacturing. See here, going forward, the center is expected to operation in Q3 2022, and it is giving a direct 10 million units of sellers inventory at any point. So, and next thing is, in addition, Flipkart will set up its third data center at Adani Connex Private Limited. Friends, I already mentioned this company details in our video, in our newses. Lest the Adani partnered with Connex to kept a JV, that means joint venture company, which is Adani Connex Private Limited, which company works on data center businesses. Like already Orinfo Solutions got a deal from France company, UK company, I think fintech, and likewise this is the deal which came from Flipkart itself for Adani. Speaking on strategic partnership, these two companies will be fast growing towards its e-commerce side, and Adani also planning to increase its data center business in India. So friends, why this step taken by this means, recently Ant Group fined a little bit from China government. Then the data will be in-house is very important, so the data breaches will not occur and it will be secured. So with this we are going to see there will be a huge business coming in data centers, friends. That's why I mentioned you to buy intellectual design and Orin Pro Solutions, Infibeam. Recently Infibeam also I told, and Sterlite and Technology, Sterling and Wilson also working in data center handling, and already Geo having data centers, and Airtel also having some data centers, and Reliance Industries also having some data centers, and Vodafone India also having some data centers. So there are unlisted companies also there which are working on data center managements. So these are the few entities which are working on data center businesses, friends. So friends, this is my view on this deal. So friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.